In 2026, Office Lens was removed from the App Store and Google Play, and its scanning engine was completely switched off. The app is dead. Any tutorial telling you to use it today is giving you bad information, and hunting for third-party downloads will only expose your device to security risks. You don't need a replacement app. You can go from a physical piece of paper on your desk to a clean, perfectly printed copy on your PC without downloading software, creating a new account, or paying a subscription fee. All you need for this workflow is the smartphone currently in your hand, a computer, and a printer loaded with paper. The tools to do this perfectly are already built into your device's operating system. Mastering them will save you the time and frustration of chasing down software that no longer exists. Microsoft's official recommendation is to use the scan feature inside the OneDrive app. If you just want a backup, it works, but for printing, it creates immediate problems. This flowchart illustrates the limitation. Capturing a scan in OneDrive funnels the document straight into a locked cloud system, bypassing your local device completely. To print, you must log into your computer and dig through cluttered folders to find that specific upload, creating unnecessary friction. And taking a standard picture doesn't work either. The camera photo on the left leaves you with skewed angles and dark shadows. The digital scan on the right produces a flattened, bright edge-to-edge layout. To get a clean physical print, you need to capture a flattened PDF file that saves locally to your phone, giving you complete control over where it goes next. Let's capture the document. Place your paper flat on a well-lit desk and get your phone. On an iPhone, open Files. Navigate to your desired folder, tap the menu in the corner, and select Scan Documents. As the viewfinder moves over the document, a digital reticle instantly isolates the shape, flattening the perspective and snapping the image automatically. On Android, the exact equivalent is inside Google Drive. Open the Drive app, tap the plus button, and hit Scan. If your Android phone has at least 8 GB of RAM, a 2026 update allows you to use Smart Batch Scanning. You just hover over multiple pages in sequence, and the software captures them without tapping the shutter for each page. Both iOS and Android compile your scanned pages into a single clean PDF file. There are no watermarks applied, and you will never be asked to pay a subscription fee. By utilizing the scanning engine natively integrated into your phone, you instantly transform a piece of paper into a properly formatted file without fighting third-party software. With your PDF captured, step 2 is moving that file from your phone to your PC. This comparison graphic shows why we don't just print directly from the mobile device. Mobile print drivers often miscalculate scaling, resulting in severely clipped edges. The PC connection ensures the file fits the margins perfectly. To transfer the file, open your synced cloud folder, email the PDF to yourself, or plug in a USB cable. The document is now sitting safely on your desktop as an independent, locally controlled file. Open that PDF using your browser or a PDF to fit toggle so nothing gets cut off. Second, verify the paper size drop-down menu matches the actual paper loaded in your printer. Bringing the file into a desktop environment reclaims absolute control over the printer's behavior, ensuring the text aligns correctly and preventing you from wasting expensive ink and paper. Hit print on your PC, and you now have a perfectly scaled, cleanly formatted physical copy of your original document. These built-in OS tools do have limits. The native Apple scanner does not embed a searchable text layer into the PDF, and neither Android nor iOS offer robust, secure digital signature workflows. If you need to build a searchable digital archive, process heavy daily batches of paperwork, or password protect legal documents, that is when you should download a dedicated tool like Adobe Scan or PDF Scan. But for the everyday task of turning a receipt or a permission slip into a printed page, keep it simple. Relying on native built-in workflows keeps you insulated from discontinued apps and keeps your desk moving. If this saved you from troubleshooting dead software today, hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides.